Where did Stephanie go? There she is.
She's filming the cows.
All right, there you go. Whoa.
So the question remains, is sawmilling worth it? Well, keep three things in mind if you want to know if sawmilling is worth it for you. What kind of wood are you going for? Is it going to be softwood versus hardwood? What kind of cuts are you going for? Are they common cuts versus slabs or larger posts and beams? And the third thing is, how much money are you putting into it? So that's also maintenance of the sawmill, gas, and how much your time is worth. And then the last thing, are you having fun? Was it a good time to do it? So keep those things in mind to know if sawmilling is worth it for you.
So we're all done, and you can see this is just the top, and we're gonna.
What's up, guys? It's your boy.
Oh, the video's over, Casey.